What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we're actually going to jump into my thoughts and impressions of the new Sentra that was just announced. This is the 2020 Sentra, which will be the 8th Gen Sentra. And just kind of want to go over some of my thoughts. As you saw in the beginning, I did show a quick video, so definitely let me know what you guys think of the way it looks, and overall what you think of the car itself. But what I like to say is, for the car, I think I like the styling cues. They generally will like to keep the Altima, Maxima, and Sentra in line with each other, and I think they're doing a pretty good job with it. It definitely looks a lot like the Maxima with some Altima features, which is pretty cool. The interior looks amazing. When it was announced, I did notice that a few of my homies in a 6th Gen Altima, the latest one, did say that they should have waited for that just because of the interior and how good it looks and all of that. Mostly was joking, but at the same time, they do really like the interior. They say it's a little better than what they have in the packages and trims that they have, but a couple of the homies who have the Platinum said that that's kind of in line with what they have. But it's definitely a good look. Saving money, of course, going Sentra over Altima. But on that note, they did say that they are increasing the size of the car, because I know a lot of people don't really rock with the Sentra due to the size. But they said that it should be 2 inches longer, 2 inches higher in terms of the headroom, and the wheelbase is of course longer. They say it's getting closer to the Altima size, but it's not quite there, and it's definitely more efficient than the previous Sentra. They are still keeping it the 4-cylinder. It's going to be a 2.0. They haven't announced any, or at least I haven't seen any announcement of any of the like performance packages yet. No Nismo or SR just yet, but they do generally do that with the Sentra, so I won't be surprised if they do that. I am curious to see if they will be able to do the turbo, because it's also a 2.0, just like the 2.0 Altima that has a turbo, and I believe they have a 2.0 in the Q50 that has a turbo as well. So I don't think it'll take too much for them to be able to do that. I'm not sure if they will or not, but I'm also curious to the aftermarket support as well. But yeah, I think overall it's a good move on their part, bringing that into the fold. It did feel like they just updated the Sentra, but at the same time, I haven't really been checking for the Sentra as much. So for me, I mean, it could be three years. I don't know. I gotta kind of look that up, but I definitely like the way it's looking. Well, I can't wait till they start showing up at the dealership so we can go take a look. Fortunately, I wasn't able to get to any of the events where it was announced, but definitely like the way it looks. Oh yeah, actually, I also did want to mention that they do have the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay that's going to be included, and it will have the safety features such as the lane departure warnings and things of those natures. I'm not 100% sure if they're going to have the parking sensors or not. I didn't see any mention of that, but that's definitely possible that they will have that. I think they would, since they mentioned that they're going to have the lane departure warnings. But yeah, that's something that they've been trying to put in all of their cars. I'm not 100% sure if they're going to do full push to start, because I know with some of the trims for the Sentra, they were doing like the turn to start, where it acts the same way, but instead of pushing the button, you just turn a fake little key shape thing. They may have already updated since then, because the last time I kind of saw that out, it was like when I had my 2008, so it's definitely been some time, so they may have already done it. But yeah, just wanted to add that note. So, but yeah, I want to keep this one nice, short, and sweet. Definitely let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. So I'd like to thank you for tuning in, and if you could, please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.